Good evening, friends. Today I want to share my view about the movie last I watched, that is Thappad. You also must have heard about that particular movie. As per me, actually, that movie is the real shows the real mirror to the Indian society. What is the condition of the women nowadays in the Indian society? Not only nowadays the women are educated. Before that, what was the condition of the woman? I just can't imagine even if nowadays the condition is this. Actually, this is a movie about a girl who is very highly educated and got married with a highly ambitious and rich man and well educated person. A man, he has a set goal, he want to shift to London, but the thing is that due to the office politics the dream didn't come true. So due to this reason he slapped his lovely wife. And the father's role in this particular movie, I loved that. Why? Because he supported in the critical condition also of her daughter. Usually the parents know, they also due to under, I think, due to the family pressure or due to the society pressure, they don't support usually. And the amazing role performed by the mother-in-law, as a mother-in-law, he she was actually not supporting her own son, she was supporting to the daughter-in-law. That is amazing fact. Actually, usually what I believe that women is the strongest enemy of the women, but in this movie she really played a very well role. And I think all the characters, and of course um, the heroine of this movie, I really appreciate. And I think we all should learn from this something, because it's not only about this, that women should know the women should also know the place that where are they existing. I think one of the reason why women are still facing this problem, they both are equally earning, both are equally working, but even then they are facing problem. The problem is with the women only, because they never open up their mouth on the wrong things. They actually accept it that okay, it happens with us, but actually it's not. We should open up. Whatever we don't feel that it is good, we should object on it. We shouldn't be habitual of whatever is going on. I'm not saying that you oppose each and everything. I know relationship is an adjustment, we have to adjust somehow, but we shouldn't compromise with our self respect. That is the most important for every woman, what I say, and this is the message that movie wants to say. Thank you so much.